So please, it will be very good if you're a man, learn how to cook, because cooking is not for only ladies, it's for all of us. Learn how to cook and to help you. Yes, this business have taught me a lot. I've learned a lot of things. In 30 minutes, 25 people came to buy at that moment. I was very happy. Yes, the advice I'll give to those who want to start this food business is that you have to get honest people. And when you get the workers to be having that good relationship with them, don't think that because they are workers, so you treat them anyhow or you talk to them anyhow. Give them that respect.
Welcome to today's episode of My Business Story, where real entrepreneurs share the raw, unfiltered journey behind their brands. We explore the moment that shaped their hustle, the challenges they've overcome, and the lessons they are still learning. Whether you are building your own business or just love a good story, you are in the right place. Let's get into it.
Please, my name is James Kojoguwedu. The name of this business is Jimmy Kitchen. Yes. And as I was growing, I was having the passion to become a caterer one day. But I was not having the resources because as I checked, I realized that catering, the things that we need, the materials that we need for the practical, how the flour, the oil, the cooking utensils, and those stuff. By that time, I realized I cannot afford it. So I went into sewing, that's tailoring. Then along the line, when I started, growing small in the fashion business, I gathered some small money. Because I was having the passion, I went and learned the catering to polish myself. Because I grew up with my mother and she trained me how to cook different kinds of food as far as Ghanaian food is concerned. So I already know how to cook. But to open a business like this, you have to polish yourself, because you can see the clear difference between the one that we cook in the house and eat and the one that we cook and sell, even though they are almost the same. But how to brand it, or how to do your things, you have to also have to learn. So I went and learned for 18 months. That's 1.5 years. Then when I graduated from that place too, I came back to the fashion and work, the tailoring and work and gather money, having the dream, because I have the dream already, having planned that one day when I get the money, I will open the kitchen too. And lo and behold, by the grace of God, I gathered some small money about cooking utensils, small, not all 100%. And I started. So as I'm working in the Jimmy Kitchen, I'm getting small money. I was buying the cooking utensils, the tables and the chairs and other stuff. You understand? So this is where I am. So that's how I was able to open the Jimmy Kitchen too. Here we have fufu, kunkunte, gakenke. We have salmon, the grilling one. We have tilapia, the grilling one with hot pepper. Then we have akple. Then we do spring rolls. And ampesi, you can mention, as far as Ghanaian food is concerned, we even do spaghetti jollof and fried rice and those stuff. But that one you have to order. But as I'm talking to you, if you want fufu, kunkunte, emutu, the bankun, the akple, the salmon, the frying one and the grilling one, and the tilapia, the frying one and the grilling one, that one you get it every day from Jimmy Kitchen. The first time I went to market, I went with 600 Ghana cedis. I think 4 to 5 years ago. And when I started, I was working with some ladies. Then I realized that things were not moving well. So the thing collapsed. So we stopped. So as I'm talking to you, it's about less than 1 month I reopen it again. I have to gather money again and reopen. So when I started again or reopen again, it's not even up to 1 month. So we are working and see how it goes. Then I employ more people. I was managing this place at the same time managing the fashion place too. So one person. So it's like, this is Ghana and human character. Sometimes when they are working in the food business, you see something that they don't have to take, something that they don't have to eat, something that they don't have to, not that they are not eating, they eat, but they misuse some of the things. So I run to loss. So the money that I invest in, I do not get the money after selling for some time. That's the reason why I failed for the first time. Yes. My first customer, how I got him. You see, I started this myself, alone. So the first customer, I started with the tilapia and the hot pepper and banku. So the first customer that day, I was the one cooking the same time, selling. So a man drove to that place. Then say, no, do you know? I say, yes, no, do you know? I say, then I mentioned what we have all. He said, when they're ready, he said, I'm saying tilapia. Then he bought it. Then at that time, I still have them. I have card. I printed this complimentary card, small extra paper. So when you buy, I'll put it back of the pack. So when you first, I said, "What do you need the power?" Then I mentioned where I learned the food. So he drew to the place and he met me and he bought the food. And as I'm talking to you now, that man is still buying fish from me. Challenge we face is that some of the things are too costly. For instance, now corn, the full bag, they sell it 1,400, some of them 1,500, some of them 1,300. So you buy the corn, transport it, send it to corn mill. I mean, to cut it short, some of the things, the food items, they are too costly. Look at oil like this. You can't buy oil. You do stew, you do fry fish and other stuff. So at the end of the day, before you realize, all the money are going to the food stuff. And when you are selling and the food too is too small, the customer to complain. So we are seeing challenges. And the gas, when you buy now, when you fill a cylinder, some of them 270, 300 is too costly. And the charcoal too. Now charcoal bag is around that's 140, 150. Depending on the size you want to buy. So in fact, the food vendors or those who are selling food, we are facing a lot of challenges. Yes, so what I do is that, in fact, this is our food business. If the food is quality, sometimes when the customers come and say, "Oh, Papa, Anna, Mommy, we're doing any boy doing," then you also have to have that good relation with them. Brah, what can I say? Namuno, Cynthia say, "You see, anima bo say, nesi. Nanso, eduan pese mi yeni ye se na be yawudi a otumi se unya pomoden ntimi nkofa nema enye mfa nyema ntimi sremo wa kamate me hu bibi kakra ntimi sremo mu ja haba mu nkosa na momra na me so na hwe se the banku or the rice bowl I'll add up something small. So that's what I do to maintain the customers that I have now.
Ghana is home to over 2 million small and medium enterprises, the heartbeat of our economy. But only a few ever break through beyond their neighborhoods, beyond their streets, beyond their cities. That's why my business story exists, to give these everyday businesses the voice, visibility, and platform they need to succeed. If you believe in supporting local dreams and growing African businesses, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's tell their stories together.
Now we sell sometimes a day 400, sometimes 500, sometimes 600, sometimes 1,000, sometimes 1,200, sometimes 1,300. The market is not stable. It's not. We have days that they buy and it's like it's up and down. So a month, if I should estimate, a month will go like almost, let's say 15,000. Yes, because what we get, that 600 I'm talking about. If I say today and I get 600, the next day we'll take in from that 600 and go and buy other stuff, some small stuff, not all, but at least few. So a month, if I put it together, 10,000 to 15,000 a month. Yeah. Yes, as I said, my wife is here, and I wake up in the morning with them, all the workers around 4 done. Then we'll start. We'll do the cooking, the hard things, we do them, I'll do with them. We'll do the cooking, the frying, and those stuff. As you said, you see that when you came, you saw that I was frying fish. So that was the last job that I have to do here. So latest by 9, I'm done here. Then I have to change and go to the fashion business. And what I do is that every day before I sleep, I'll make sure that there's work for those 2 guys, my workers. So that when they come in the morning and I'm here, they also get something doing before I join them. So that's how I manage it. And I'm praying that the day will come, I'll get somebody to manage this one for me, and I also manage that one. Because my dream is that this kitchen should become something big, including the fashion business. So if it's too big, I don't think I can manage it alone. As I'm talking to you now, we have 2 workers. And if I say workers, there are people that we have employed. But the people that work here, me, my wife, and 2 workers, let's say 4. And some of our children too, sometimes they help us when they are not in school. The future plan, I'm praying to get cooking utensils. Nice one that we can use to do. You see, when you go to programs, they have something called buffet. They call it buffet, You have that kind of arrangement, I'll have maybe some small bus or nabuboya. I can transport things to go outside somebody's party or wedding or funeral. We can also start doing that kind of delivery or, serving people under their programs. So I'm praying that I'll get money to buy these things small. the message that I have for my fellow men is that whether you are young or old, married or not, it is good for you to learn how to cook. Because, for instance, even if you have a wife, and God forbid one day your wife is not around, or your wife is sick, who is going to cook for your wife to eat? Or even yourself, you get area, there's no food, they don't sell food there, but they have food in the house, something that they can cook, rice, MPC or something. So please, it will be very good if you're a man, learn how to cook, because cooking is not for only ladies. It's not only for ladies. It's for all of us. Learn how to cook and to help you. Yes, this business has taught me a lot. I've learned a lot of things. You see, it's something that we consume. So I've learned that you have to be neat always, all the time, all seconds, minutes. For instance, where we are sitting, if the place is dead, if the place is filthy, you have to sweep it, clean it. The bowls, the tables, everything. And you yourself cooking the food, you have to be neat. Everything about you. So I've learned that this work have taught me to be neat and also create a good relationship with my customers. My proudest moment is that there was one day I was selling myself. It's the same tilapia. We have all the food. They contain the food. Everything was there. Was here. And a woman that I saw for, she worked as ECG, Community 12 branch. Her name is Auntie Joe. Then she called me. Mr. Jimmy, I said, yes. Are you there? I said, yes. Do you have food? I said, yes, we have food. Please, what do you want? He said, oh, your pet tilapia. Now your doors. And I'm saying, Mama, one door bear saying, or so let me count. And he called me. They are around 20 to 25. Quickly. I have to do the grilling, pack everything. That was the first time that quantity was bought. So that day, I was very happy that day. Because, you see, I am cooking the food or I'm grilling the fish to sell. And see people, just one person, just order this thing. I was, hey, if it will happen like this, then I'm going to big one day. So I was very happy. Because they used to come, we are there, then one person will come. Maybe 2 hours, then one person will come. And just a minute, within 30 minutes, 20, 25 people came to buy at that moment. I was very happy. Yes, the advice I'll give to those who want to start this food business is that you have to get honest people, hardworking people and honest people. You understand? Because we fry fish, chicken, and those stuff, and we have maggi, we have rice, you see that cooking, they'll have small. So if the person is a bad person, he'll be stealing you every day, small. Before you realize, in a week, when you put it together, it's a huge of money. So I'll pray that when you're looking for workers, get honest people. Pray to God first and get honest people. And when you get the workers to be having that good relationship with them, at least if you cannot pay them well, let them know that I'm starting like this. So please, this is how I pay you. By the grace of God, if it grow, I will increase your pay for you, and they will see it. And please, if the business to grow, please increase their salary and treat them well. Don't think that because they are workers, so you treat them anyhow or you talk to them anyhow. Give them that respect because you are working with them. They can do anything to you. They can spoil your business for you. So have that good rapport, with them. And by the grace of God, you get there. So I've advised myself, the first one, what happened? So now, the second time, this is my second chance. So my second chance, I'm putting things in place so that it will stand. If you need food from Jimmy Kitchen, we are located at Community 11 station precisely. We work from Monday to Sundays. In the morning from 8 to 9:30 in the evening. We have banku, kunkunte, omutu. We have rice and stew. We have grilled tilapia. Grilling tilapia. And salmon, the grilling one. And akple and hot pepper and nice shit of pepper. And if you want to contact us, we order. And I say program, we not perceive be serve and I be you and I say you the brewer. With my friend, 024 31 37 378. I take it again. The contact number, if you want to contact us, 024 31 37 378. Another number again, 026 271 9334. Thank you. My name is James Kujugwedu, the CEO of Jimmy Kitchen. This is my business story. Thank you.
Thanks for watching today's episode of My Business Story. If this inspired you, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with someone chasing their own dream. Subscribe for more real stories from entrepreneurs across Ghana and beyond, because every business has a story and yours could be next. See you in the next one.